How to fix if your Honor 90 or 90 Lite won't send MMS messages. So to fix this issue, first of all, check your network connection. So to check that, swipe down and from here check if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, then it means your network connection is bad. So move to an area where you can get good signals. But if you are getting good signals and you are still facing issues while receiving or sending MMS messages, then move to the next solution. So the next solution is remember to turn on mobile data, so you cannot send or receive MMS messages without turning on data. Now if your data is also turned on and you are still having issues while sending the MMS messages, then open settings. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated to the latest version, then update your phone's software to the latest version, and after updating, the MMS messages issue will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after updating the software, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the MMS messages issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Honor 90 or 90 Lite that won't send MMS messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.